Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step through the process of downloading, installing, and using the UDP Client VPN app on your Android device. This tutorial is beginner-friendly and will help you understand how to set up and start using the app with ease. We'll go through everything clearly, from installation to connecting to a server and selecting protocols. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser, such as Chrome. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and press Enter. From the search results, look for the official UDP Custom website and tap on it. This will bring you to their homepage. On the homepage, tap the menu icon at the top. From the list of options, select All Country VPN. This will take you to a page that lists available VPN apps. Scroll through the list until you find UDP Client VPN, then tap it. You'll be directed to the download page. Tap on the Install button to begin downloading the app. The download time will depend on your internet speed, so please be patient. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the UDP Client VPN. On first launch, the app may ask for permission to show notifications. This is optional and you can choose whether to allow it. When the app opens, you'll see the home screen. The application will automatically start loading servers, so make sure you have an internet connection. During this process, the app may restart once. That's normal. Just wait a few seconds until the servers finish updating. Now let's look at the main features. The UDP Client VPN has two main sections, one for choosing servers and another for selecting protocols. To choose a server, tap the Server section. You'll see a list of servers from different countries. Select one that works best for you. You can always switch later. Next, to select a protocol, tap the Tweaks button on the home screen. This will display a list of available tweaks and protocols. Scroll through and pick the one that suits your connection and network environment. After choosing both your server and protocol, return to the home screen. Tap the large Start button and the UDP Client VPN will connect you to your selected server within seconds. And that's it. You've successfully set up and connected using the UDP Client VPN. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.